everyone, and welcome to the launch of Lexis Clause Intelligence, a legal drafting analysis tool. My name is Gayatri Raman, and I'm super excited today for you to join us as we celebrate the launch of this hot new product designed just for you for the Malaysia and Singapore legal professionals. This is a new and exciting time for us here in LexisNexis. Why? Because the world is changing at a rapidly fast pace, even more so in the last 2 years. How is it changing, and how are we at LexisNexis riding the waves and supporting you in winning in the process? Firstly, the world has become more and more virtual. People work from home, from all locations all over the world. Secondly, it has become borderless and boundaryless. As we work from home and virtually, we work from all different locations and all different geographical locations as well, which means we are transacting, we are dealing, we are negotiating across the world more so than ever and easier than ever. What does this mean for legal professionals and our customers? It means there is opportunity, there is business to be made, and we can grow our businesses collectively. Throughout the years, LexisNexis has been the trusted legal content provider. We have been well known to you, our customers, as the premium legal content provider all around the world and in the Singapore and Malaysia market. We provide primary law, we provide secondary content and analytical content. Forms and precedents are now the key towards Lexis Clause Intelligence. As you transact, as your clients transact, which means you will need to create and draft contracts, more and more agreements. And what happens there? We will support you with Lexis Clause Intelligence. It is a sophisticated drafting analytical tool. It is built on highly powered artificial intelligence. And on top of that, we spoke to you. We researched how you transact and how you draft. And we work together with our counterparts to create this particular specialized tool to enable you to draft contracts easier, better, faster. I am very, very excited for it. And I'm very excited for you to try it, for you to enjoy it, and for you to succeed using it all the time. I just shared the why and the reason behind why we created Lexis Clause Intelligence. Now, my colleague Devi, the head of our product development team, will share the how. She is going to proudly share with you how our journey began and how it has evolved into today, how we have created a product that is suited to your exact needs. And I'm very, very happy for you to hear from her next.
Hi, I'm Dewi. I'm the Director of Product for LexisNexis Southeast Asia, and today I'm proud to share with you some snippets and information about our latest offering, Lexis Clause Intelligence. You'll be wondering, why Lexis Clause Intelligence and what's the idea behind it? The inspiration for Lexis Clause Intelligence comes from the customers, from months of research and also asking our customers about their pain points and challenges in their day-to-day work. We know for a fact from talking to lawyers dealing with transactional work and in-house legal counsel that much of their time is actually spent on drafting, reviewing, updating, and also finalizing legal documents. So there are many aspects to think about: finding the right clause or appropriate clause for your documents, trying to make sure that everything is updated to the latest legislation and also regulation, ensuring that all the rights of your clients are protected, and also you have covered all the legal and also commercial risks, and also working within super tight timeline and also resource constraint. With Lexis Clause Intelligence, we leverage on the availability of our superior content, high quality precedent and clause database, paired with our sophisticated state-of-the-art AI and machine learning to actually help users, which are transactional lawyers, in-house counsel, and people who actually work closely with legal documents to actually make the process of drafting smoother, efficient, and more productive. So how do we do that? And I'm going to unpack what it is in Lexis Clause Intelligence that is going to help the users do that. First, we're going to talk about the content. When we talk about the content, it is about our comprehensive, high quality, accurate database of precedent content, clause, and also drafting notes that were drafted by subject matter experts across various practice areas such as corporate, commercial, banking, IP, IT, data protection, and so on. And this is so that all the users will have access and reference point, and they can actually find the clauses that they need for their work. Next, we talk about having the access to international database. The lucky thing for our users in Singapore and Malaysia is they can actually tap into the international database of precedent content that we have from the UK, Australia, Hong Kong, and New Zealand that can actually help them widen their horizon, actually deepen their research, and find the clauses that they need. Next, we talk about the technology behind the content. Why technology, you would say? Because it is very difficult to do a regular search trying to find clauses and information that you need. It is voluminous in nature, and without AI, it is very difficult to do. So what does our AI do? Our AI actually analyzes the user's document and actually find out the type of documents, the parties, and intent of the document, and tend to surface contextually relevant clauses that the users can use in a document. So what does it mean, contextually relevant? Like, do I need to use? Actually, you don't need to use if you think your clauses are already good enough, but it helps you actually refer to the database and alternative clauses that you might or might not use now or in the future. So the other thing that we want to talk about the AI is how relevant and how accurate is the AI versus a person actually doing it themselves. And this is where we run a series of experiments and also iteration with a team of data scientists, software engineers, AI specialists, content specialists, and also real users, our customers. We actually recruited a lot of our customers into the process where they help during the concept, release of the alpha and beta, and test and validate that everything that is churned out, the output from the AI, is actually usable and very useful to the users. And that is how we know that the output from the AI is highly precise and relevant and useful to the customers. So we've talked about the content and we've talked about the technology. Then we're going to talk about the customer experience or user experience. Most of the time, people will be thinking that using AI is very complicated, it's very difficult, but we aim to change that perception and we want it to be easy to use. So for each of the aspects of the user experience, from uploading your user document, from actually reviewing our recommendation, choosing the clauses that you want, and also downloading the documents, it's all seamless and easy to use so that users don't need extra training or learning how to use it. And at the same time, we also allow for seamless integration into our research platform, Lexis Advanced, and also Lexis Practical Guidance, which means that users will have access to the wealth of database that they can actually look for all the information that they need and never miss out on anything. So that, in essence, is Lexis Clause Intelligence unpacked for you each of the components, and all of it work together seamlessly to give you an enjoyable experience in your drafting journey.
Hi, my name is Hamidi, Customer Success Manager from LexisNexis Southeast Asia. Today I am very excited to walk you guys through with the core functionalities with Lexis Clause Intelligence. Let's start. Lexis Clause Intelligence is a tool to assist you in your legal drafting work by leveraging on advanced AI technology and extensive coverage of more than 15,000 clauses from our clause bank. It helps you specifically by analyzing your working template and surface out clause recommendations, allowing users to find best practice wording quickly and easily. To start using, simply upload or drag your working template in the drop section located in the Lexis Clause Intelligence homepage. Note that the accepted format is docx, and for your peace of mind, the uploaded files will not be stored in LexisNexis server once you have ended your session. Now you can click upload. In the analysis page, you can see your uploaded template in the left-hand side panel, whereas the clause recommendation can be found on the right. Easily track clauses from your template on which the AI has recommendation on by hovering along the navigation bar in the left-hand side of your screen. When available, the recommendations are provided at subclause level as well. Let's now turn on to the recommendation clause panel. The AI recommendation made are based on, among many, on this following consideration. The different commercial position taken by the author of the said template, similar clause from adjacent legal document, and many more. Depending on your subscription level, recommendations from other jurisdictions are available as well. To help you to review the recommended clause, drafting notes are provided for your reference. They are authored by subject matter experts with vast experience in legal transactional works. It provides you with insights on when, why, and how you can incorporate the recommended clause into your working template. The recommended clause are also available for download, or simply copy and paste it to your working template. Lastly, if you wish to view clauses beyond on what the AI have recommended, search feature is also available. Either search within Clause Intelligence or extend your research in other LexisNexis products in your subscription. Reimagining legal drafting with Lexis Clause Intelligence. Thanks so much for joining us today, and we hope to see you in the demo soon.